Before supercars had computers, before horsepower became a marketing number, there was a moment when Chevrolet decided to build something fearless. A car that didn't whisper performance, it detonated it. One turn of the key, one violent pulse of a 396 Big Block, and the world understood the message. This wasn't just the birth of the Camaro, this was the sound of American muscle declaring war. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you live for timeless horsepower, sculpted steel, and the kind of American muscle that rewrote history, you already know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, hit that bell, and settle in, because today we're stepping into one of the most intoxicating chapters ever written by Chevrolet. This is not just a car. This is a statement. This is the moment the Camaro stopped being a contender and became a threat. This is the 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS equipped with the legendary 396 cubic inch Big Block V8. Close your eyes for a second and imagine the late 1960s. America is loud, ambitious, and unapologetically confident. Muscle cars aren't just transportation, they're rolling declarations of freedom. And into that atmosphere, Chevrolet unleashes the first generation Camaro, sharp-edged, compact, and purpose-built to take on anything that dared line up next to it. But when you checked the right boxes, when you ordered the SS package and paired it with a 396 Big Block, you weren't just buying a Camaro, you were commissioning a weapon. From the outside, the 1967 Camaro SS carries a presence that still stops people cold today. The proportions are perfect. Long hood, short deck, muscular hips wrapped tightly in steel. The SS badging is subtle but confident, never shouting, never begging for attention. This car doesn't need to scream. It knows exactly what it is. The grille sits low and wide, flanked by deep-set headlights that look more like a stare than a design choice. The body lines are clean, aggressive, and intentional, drawn in an era when designers sculpted with instinct rather than software. But the real magic begins the moment that hood rises. Underneath sits Chevrolet's 396 cubic inch Big Block V8, and depending on how brave and how wealthy you were in 1967, you could choose your flavor of dominance. The L35 delivered a formidable 325 horsepower, smooth, torquey, and endlessly confident. The L78, though, was something else entirely. Officially rated at 375 horsepower, but whispered to be far stronger, the L78 was raw, mechanical, and borderline unruly. Solid lifters, high compression, aggressive camshaft. This was not an engine built for compromise. This was Chevrolet quietly reminding the world that they still knew how to build monsters. Turn the key and the Big Block doesn't just start, it announces itself. The idle is uneven, deliberate, like a predator breathing before the chase. There's weight in the sound, authority. Every pulse from the exhaust feels expensive, mechanical, and deeply intentional. This isn't noise, it's music composed in iron and fuel. Inside the cabin, the Camaro SS strikes a balance that modern cars can only imitate. You're greeted by a driver-focused cockpit, simple and honest, deep-set gauges, a purposeful steering wheel, and seats that don't try to coddle you. They hold you. This interior was never meant to distract. It was designed to connect you directly to the machine. No screens, no filters, just you, the car, and the road ahead. Drop it into gear, whether it's the legendary Muncie 4-speed or the heavy-duty automatic, and the Camaro moves with a kind of confidence that can't be replicated. The torque comes on early and hard, pushing you back into the seat with authority. This isn't a high, revving sports car begging to be wrung out. This is Big Block muscle. Effortless acceleration, endless pull, the kind of power that doesn't need to prove itself. And yet, despite all that brute force, the 1967 Camaro SS is surprisingly composed. Chevrolet knew that power meant nothing without control. The SS package brought upgraded suspension, stronger brakes, and chassis reinforcements designed specifically to handle the weight and torque of the Big Block. This car doesn't feel fragile, it feels planted, confident. Like it was engineered by people who understood exactly what drivers wanted and what they were willing to risk. What makes the 1967 Camaro SS with a 396 truly special isn't just the numbers, the sound, or the speed, it's the moment in time it represents. This was the first year. The opening statement. Chevrolet didn't ease into the Camaro era, they arrived fully armed. And while later years would bring refinements, stripes, and louder marketing, there is something pure about 1967. No excess, no gimmicks, just raw intent. Today, these cars occupy a rare space in the collector world. They're respected coveted, and increasingly difficult to find in correct form. A genuine SS Big Block Camaro isn't just valuable, it's meaningful. It represents a time when manufacturers took risks, when engines were measured in cubic inches instead of algorithms, and when driving demanded skill rather than software updates. At shows, a 1967 Camaro SS doesn't need neon lights or outrageous paint to draw a crowd. People recognize it instantly. They lean in, they listen, they remember. Some recall the first time they heard one fire up. Others remember the one that got away. And younger enthusiasts feel it too, that pull towards something authentic, mechanical, and alive. Because that's what this car is, alive. Every vibration through the steering wheel, every exhaust note echoing off concrete, every shift that demands your attention, it all reminds you that this Camaro was built to be driven. Not curated, not stored, driven hard, honestly, with respect and a little bit of fear. The 1967 Chevrolet Camaro SS with the 396 Big Block is more than an icon. It's a benchmark, a reminder of what happens when design, engineering, and ambition collide at exactly the right moment. It doesn't chase trends, it defines them. It doesn't ask for permission. It takes the road and dares anything else to keep up. And that's why decades later it still commands respect, still turns heads, still makes hearts race. If you appreciate machines like this, machines with soul, history, and unapologetic power, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We're here to celebrate the legends, tell their stories, and keep this era alive. Drop a comment below and tell me what you love most about the 67 Camaro SS, the sound, the stance, the big block thunder under the hood. Until next time, stay driven, stay passionate, and remember, some cars aren't just built, they're born legendary.